first year of being nursing student, also the year we started as friends. It is all unexpected that our different personalities would check each other and enjoy each other's company. Since then, we never get apart from each other. Even though our OCIs heard our group as ethics, kung saan daw yung isa, nandun yung lahat. Many challenges arrive to us, but still, our circle of friends gets strong each year of our own BSN course. Many things happen, and we face each other and supporting each other. Until now, still we're facing the same challenge in our lives. Striving hard in taking the second step of our own career, which may be applying our own future. We are not doing this to duplicate the things what others did or to impress others. We are doing this because we can never promise that we can stay together. Celebrating each other's birthday as what we have done for the last 4 years. We don't know what will happen or where we will be after the board exam. We are not saying that this is your last birthday. Or we are not saying also that this will be your last birthday. That we are together. But we want this day to be more special day